Hi, I'm Laura, Omniyogagirl, and this is Bodhi. So this tutorial is on infinity pose. Infinity pose is kind of a variation of compass pose, and it's a reclining variation, so you'll be lying on your side. It's a really nice hip opener and hamstring stretch, and it's also just a really pretty shape. So make sure you warm up your hips, make sure you warm up your hamstrings, and it's also quite a good idea to warm up your shoulders, as you'll be using one of your shoulders to kind of have a compass grip on your lifted leg. Okay, so I'll show you how to get into it and give you some more cues as well. Okay, so you want to begin lying on your side. And then we want to get the top leg into the compass position. So lift the leg up and you kind of want to work it behind your top shoulder. This way you want to grab the outside edge of your lifted foot. Just use your hand to support yourself. It can be a little bit tricky on the balance as well. Make sure it's nice and high up on your shoulder. And then use that hand to extend it upwards, opening the shoulder, straightening the leg as much as you can. So this is where kind of the balance aspect comes in. So keep the core pulled in and engaged. And then you want to lift up the remaining foot and bring it up towards your hips. Reach towards the foot, take hold of it with the arm that's hooked in front of the top leg. And then to really create the infinity shape, push that foot into the arm, pull that leg down with your left hand. Okay, so it's a pose that can definitely be a bit deceptively difficult with the balance aspect, as I was saying in the demo. So make sure you're using your banders, pull up your pelvic floor, draw the lower belly back in towards the spine and kind of use that to help keep the pose stable. It also takes a little bit of playing and working out to figure out how far to lean back or lean forward in the pose and where the optimal place is for your balance. So obviously there's a lot of flexibility going on in this pose. So just work with opening the hamstrings and opening the hips. And I hope you enjoy giving it a go. Thank you very much, and please don't forget to click subscribe.